Hello, my name is Frank Ramundi and I'm a product manager here at Light Efficient Design. Today I want to introduce you to C-Flex. What is C-Flex? C-Flex is an LED retrofit kit designed to replace fluorescent lamps. We utilize flexible control by implementing Lutron's suite of drivers. We utilize the Ecosystem 1%, 3-wire, and 2-wire drivers. In addition, we offer 0 to 10 volt, line voltage dim, and dolly drivers. We complement those drivers with our C-Flex specific LED lamps. For maximum versatility in switched applications, we offer Lutron's integrated control as well as Bluetooth mesh. We implement those technologies within our Troffer transformer fixtures, which we offer in 2 configurations. One is our flat panel and the other is our volumetric, which is shown here. C-Flex offers a full line of lamps and fixtures. For applications that require the existing sockets be used, we offer our T8 and T5 lamps. These are glass lamps with aluminum end caps that very closely mimic both the light output distribution of a fluorescent lamp. For applications where there's no interest in utilizing the existing sockets, we offer our bar, or what we call our LBE product. This product bypasses the sockets altogether, so they do not need to be used. And the key difference with this bar versus the lamps is that it has a more narrow light distribution pattern, which allows more light to focus on the work area. We also offer our Troffer transformer fixture in various configurations as well. All these items can be used in the wired application mode. Why retrofit instead of replace? Retrofit allows you to maintain the existing Lutron controls and the existing programming with those controls. And because you're using the existing fixtures, there's no need to break the ceiling plane, which could help mitigate asbestos or excessive dust concerns. C-Flex retrofit kits include a 5-year warranty, and many products are listed on the DLC QPL, which could maximize your utility rebates. Check out our website at c-retrofitkits.com, where we post our installation guide, spec sheets, rep finder, as well as a success story with Moravian College, where they've utilized T5 HO products to maximize their wattage savings.